Hello guys, I'm back again. Uh, on my previous video, I have shown you how to install Zend Framework 2. Today I'm gonna show you how to create Hello World module. So let's get started. I've configured everything on my environment on the NetBeans. This is like freshly installed Zend Framework 2 environment. So in order to start Zend framework, let's go to the document directory. So it's at f2 demo. So over here we need to install Zend framework tool. I'll show you from the Zend framework tool, so it will be a lot easier for everybody. So let's try to install Zend framework tool from Composer. So Composer require Zend framework ZF tool. So it should install the ZF tool. So once we install this, we can issue the command so that we can create the controller. On my previous video, I showed you how to install ZF tool with the FAR, but there is one small bug, so I need to install it without the FAR. So I'm installing over there. I'll show you the bug, don't worry. So let's try to create the Hello World module over here. So ZF2 create. So we are going to create Hello World module. Create module Hello World. So module is created. Now let's create the index controller inside the Hello World module. So let's do it. C-O-N-T-R-L-E-R. When I hit enter, you can see the error. This is because I don't know why they haven't fixed the error yet. So I'll show you how we can fix the error. We just need to go inside the vendor Zend framework ZF tool, shows ZF tool controller, create controller, and go to line number 141. So let's go here. So inside the vendor, let's go inside the vendor Zend framework. So let's refresh it because we have just installed it. So source ZF tool controller and create controller, yeah, it's over here. So let's go to the line number 141, which create the problem. Okay, over here what we need to do is just comment this and create, okay, $cmd equals to mkdir minus p and the directory, and execute with the system command. So let me do inside the braces. So okay, cmd command. So now it should be okay. So if we execute it, it should be able to create the index controller inside the Hello World module. So yeah, it's created. Let's go inside the Hello World module. So over here, inside the Hello, let's go inside the module. Let's see whether it created it or not. So let's refresh the folder. It created the Hello World module. So far so good. Now we need to take care of the few things. So first, let's make sure that our module is registered on the application config. It's automatically done, Hello World module. is registered. So, and the next thing on the config module, let's copy the existing module. So config module. Once we have copied this, right, we just need to take care of three things. So I don't want this, just delete this out. Instead of application, let's put hello world. Let me copy this and put it over here, hello world, and our namespace is hello world, and we don't need to deal with the controller because we are using the controller index, so we don't want these and we don't want these as well, so we can delete this. We don't want any service manager, we don't want any locale as well, and on the invocable we just want hello world because we want to execute this. So or hello world module and the hello world. So on the view manager, we just need to take care about template path stack, so that should be it. We don't want the console as well. So once we save it, right, create controller, okay, and let's check for the view as well. Let's check for whether we get the controller or not. Once we have everything on our place, let's check for the controller. It's over here. We got the index controller and view over here. So index view, so inside the index view let's put h1 hello world. Okay, now let's try to see whether we have successfully created the hello world module or not. Yeah, now let's try to go one step ahead. Let's try to put create one simple model and get the value from the model and inject it inside the view. So let's do that. So in order to create the model, let's try to create inside the hello world controller, let's try to create the new folder called model, and let's try to create one class. Let's say over here hi class. Okay, so over here the namespace will be hello world slash model, and hi. Over here let's put one function which will just return say hello. Okay, say dollar name equals now if it's set dollar name hello dollar name else we're gonna return hello world. Right, so on the controller let's try to see on the controller. Over here, let's create the view. VW view equals to new view model. Okay, right, and then let's create the object of our model equals to new. It's high, I guess high, yeah, and then the obj model is a model. Let's say hello. I'll put my name with the OTI with the Cody, and let's store it on the string. So and assign the value to the view. So vw dot set variable dot name equals to message equals to $tr. Okay, so vw dot set variable equals to, okay, and we are returning the view. And on the view portion we can do, let's go inside the view. Okay, and let's echo the message. Echo dollar. Yeah, now it's working. What we have done now is like we have created the model and get a value from the model to the controller, and controller pass the value to the view. So this is like simple hello world module in Zend framework 2.